So this is our lighting design submission for the Immersive booth installation, and this is a collaboration between LAMP, the manufacturer, and our partners with One Lux Design Studio. And we developed several designs and ended up with this one as a concept for circular lighting and economy. And as you see, we've used recycled materials. Here we see 55 cork shades that would normally be part of an interior lighting product that would be suspended. And we've adapted that with diffusers that were basically scrap off of our manufacturing product for a different product line that we manufacture with. So that will be recycled and reused after the show. The plants themselves were purchased locally in the flower district, and post-life after the show will go directly to the lighting design studio. And then the last segment of this in the circular economy is the use of materials that we use for the display itself. We used an ecologically friendly MDF that uses a toxic-free glue with no formaldehydes. The wood itself is harvested from sustainable forests and are the byproduct of the manufacturing processes to make the MDF itself. So all in all, the bottom line is after the show, there will be no waste, zero waste, and all of the material is accounted for in a reuse or adaptation for a longer life.